What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have right here the iPhone SE3. This is the 2022 iPhone SE. Looks fairly identical to the 2020 iPhone SE, right? Well, it really is. There's a couple differences, but in today's video, I want to talk about some protective cases from ESR, and these are the Air Armor cases. Huge shout out for ESR for sending out these cases for review and to check out. I definitely would recommend them. They make some awesome cases. I've been using the ESR metal kickstand case for my Galaxy S22 Ultra. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Okay, so first let's take a look at the clear case for the Air Armor. And these ones are going to definitely provide some more protection than your normal case. It's got some raised edges right here on the corners of each side of the phone, or at least of the case for the phone. And since it's a clear case, you're going to be able to see the color of whatever phone color it is. Right here have the Starlight, which is kind of white, but in some angles it has like a really, really light. It's like it's not pure white. Let me put it that way. But I like it. I like the Starlight. And for purposes, it would fit iPhone SE 2. I mean, taking a look at that, it fits perfectly fine on iPhone SE 2. Taking a look at the clicks, it's very clicky too. It does have more, like I said, more of that protection. But let's put it on iPhone SE 3. Let's see how it looks in the Starlight color, right? There we go. Let's put it on Starlight right here. So there we go. Here it is in Starlight. It has a slight raise, so if you do drop it on the back, it isn't going to affect the camera too much. Like I said, if you do drop it on the sides and the corners right here, it is going to take that hit. But I just don't like it's not a full symmetrical. Well, it is symmetrical if you take a look at it from the front, but what I mean is like it's straight and then there's like a small raise right here and then it goes back down and there's another raise. Like I just don't like the style of this case myself. I wouldn't be using it, but if it's for you and you're looking for protection, then I definitely say this case is going to give you that protection. And it is very grippy and it's very good in the hand too. So you won't have any problems if it's going to drop out of your hand or anything. The buttons right here, they're pretty clicky. So I wouldn't have any issues with buttons right here. But otherwise, that's really it with this case. The cutouts are very precise. They're very good. But there's Air Armor, clear compatible case. Let's take a look at the other one right here. Let's pull it right out. So here it is. Okay, so this is the black one. I don't know why some of their... Let's take this out for a sec. Here we go. So this one, it doesn't have a clear case, but it does have like this somewhat transparent back to it. And we're going to put it on the phone in a little bit. But this is definitely, it's not, it's more of a, how do I put it? It's not the same material. It's not like a silicone material, or it just feels a little bit more rough to the hand. It does have those raised corners right here. We're going to take a look at the buttons and how they feel, if they're clicky or not, and putting them inside the case. I mean, it wasn't too bad. Taking it out wasn't too bad either. Putting in this one, still not too bad. Let's take a look how clicky it is. Definitely it's clicky, but like I said, just having these raised corners just makes the phone feel a little bit more like buff. I just don't like it. I like my phones to be simplistic, minimalistic. This case is not for one of those who are looking for that minimalistic feel. When we take a look at the back of the case, it has this dual tone color texture. So most of the back of the phone is a transparent feel. So you can still see the somewhat Starlight color, but the rest of it is all black. The cutouts for the lightning port, for the speakers, they're all precise, as well as there's enough cutout for the mute switch button too. But I like how it's really clicky. And let's actually try it and take a look how it feels on the iPhone SE 2 and if we can see the red. I didn't want to get a red this year, and that's why I put up a poll on YouTube on the community post, and a lot of you did vote. The majority voted for a Starlight, so I went ahead and picked up Starlight. But you can still see it. It is transparent. It's not like fully transparent, but you can still see somewhat of that red. And this combo actually looks much better than the white one, if you ask me, the red and black combo. But going back to iPhone SE3, let's put this SE2 aside for now. Here's iPhone SE3, putting it back onto this case. If you're looking for a case that's going to provide you more protection, that's more sturdy, then I would definitely say get these Air Armor cases. Obviously, it's in the name, the Armor case. They're really good and grippy. They feel good in the hand. So definitely be sure to try it out, take a look. But that's really been it for this video of the iPhone SE3 and the ESR Air Armor cases. If you did enjoy, be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the YouTube channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.